Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to create libraries in Wix Studio. So, as we create lots of assets and websites on Wix Studio, we have to recreate all the animations and all the sections. But due to libraries, we can easily save our asset and reuse it again. Let's get started. So, we'll go to our website. This is the website. This is a template. So, I want this section, this features section to be duplicated. So, I'll go on the section, I'll double click it and save it as an asset. And I'll add an asset, something like detox, and we can also create new libraries. So as you can see, I have lots of about us, seminars, animations, background effects. There are so many. So I can reuse it them again and again. So now I'll save here and I'll go to features. So yeah, I'll add two features and just add. Now let me go here. Now I want that exact file. So now what I'll do is I'll not recreate each and every single thing. I'll just go on ads, I'll go on features, and I'll search for the one. See, as you can see, this is the one. So I'll just drag and drop or I can just click on it. As you can see, we have it here. We need to change the background color. As that theme was black, we can change it to black. Even we can change this entire color scheme. As you can see in this website, this color is dominant, accent color. And here we have this color. You can see this color palette. We have a different color because this website has this color palette. So it automatically adjusts according to your color palette and gives you the best result. Of course, it's you can change it, you can customize it however, whichever color you want. So this is how you can do it. So I have created a lot of libraries. See, all of them. So if I want some effects, if I want some scroll animation, if I want to see some review, services section, sticky, it's an animation. Easily I can get it from here. See, you just need to drag it or select it and drop it. Okay. Let's go to facts and figures. We'll select example this one. So we'll drag and drop here. As you can see, it automatically adapted the color palette and everything. And as we preview it, we can also see the animation working. So this is how you create libraries and use it effectively. Thank you so much.